Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to discuss about that 45 degree. And yesterday the scanner is not working properly, but today it was worked and showing the stocks which is forming and such a kind of result where we get it from that 45 degree bullish as well as 45 degree bearish. So from we don't have yesterday's data, so we cannot find what are the stocks which is forming by yesterday, but today we get it. But even though we find out some stocks based on the 45 degree, so that was works well. And I seen two stocks like 𝐿NDFH for a bullish one and Astral for a bearish, but I did the trade on 𝐿NDFH around 80 call option, which I've taken around 5.6. After that it went quickly, it moves towards 7.25, but I didn't book out the profit today. Why? Because it is about very quick move while I'm taking that position around where you can see the 80 call option around 5.6. At this time I was taken nearby or 945 to 950, and immediately within 10 minutes it reaches to 7.25. But there was a good profit. I can able to book it, but I was not booking the profit. The reason why is about this stock is give me a positional trade entry as per my advanced strategy. So here at this point around 7.25, while I'm taking around 5.6, and immediately it moves to 7.2, almost 1.5 rupees is nearby 12 to 13,000 rupees profit, but I am not booked out at this point around 7.1. So that is what our advanced option strategy, those who attend to my classes, they know very well. So that this 7.1 is what entry for that positional option strategy. So that is why I keep hold it. But again it coming down to my cost price, and finally it's closed by 5.7. No problem at all. So here is my entry price is triggered today. Maybe it can move after some days. So that's why I keep hold on positional, not for an intraday. So, and another one which I've taken in the morning, I seen the stock which is present on this list is Deepak Nitrate. So that Deepak Nitrate that was moves well around 20 points nearby. So around 125, 129 I was sticking that Deepak Nitrate, and it went to 153, very quick move. So today most of the stock is moves very quick, and then it returned back on the same price. But I exited with the Deepak Nitrate with minimum loss around 900 rupees. I try to exit my position by cost because I don't have the confirmation about the previous day trend. So that is the reason mainly I have exited from the trade. So the Deepak Nitrate, I think I was booking the some losses around 900 rupees, and I was exited out from the trade. Where I'm taking 130, it reaches towards 153 after my entry. But I was exiting nearby my cost price is giving me a loss of 126 based on the scanner which is we are using that the 45 degree. And Astral from the beginning it is going down and down. So due to that some liquidity in that liquidity problem in options, I was not taken any position. The buyers and sellers gap between Astral, that is the reason I was avoided that position, but it has works well. And as per candlesticks, a lot of stocks we are checking out as a positional basis. Zeal and other stocks which I was by weekly basis investment call, which I told you on Z Entertainment. Still it is in the same price, and Bharat Petrochemical, BPCL, that these two both on the same level only. So entry triggered and it was on the same price, but it is not for intraday, it is a positional. And one of my student who has booked good profit of based on the harami candle, like Bajaj Finserv, and he also mentioned about the trade he done, and based on the daily, it is a harami candle, looks like a bullish harami. So here it was a bearish harami, and then gap down, and here it triggers out the entry, and still the entries, this entry also be valid. So because it is not triggering your entry, it gap down. This may be the stop loss 6,900. Here is then another entry around 7,250 level. and still after 4-5 days it is a range, and finally it moves today. But this entry is based on that previous day Arami candle. Right here it's a bullish Arami where 7324, now it has moved towards 7400. This type of candles and patterns which I have shared on my Telegram channel daily basis, where we can you can make use of it. I'm sending it free. The stop loss for the trade is 7165, and the entry got triggered around 7324, and now it has moved to 7403. That was a good, and it nearby 7450. 7444 is the highest level, right? So we did selections based on candlesticks pattern that works well, and by this 45 degrees candles. So today we are going to see these are the stocks on the top list. So we will take some top 10 stocks from the top and bottom. So we can go to check it out if any stock which is available in this list, and that may be a good stock for a tomorrow to focus it out. So that is the reason we are focusing these stocks for tomorrow's opportunity, entry opportunity. If they seem which continues the trend, even it is giving you some good confirmations about the trend, whether it is going up or down. So these stocks, so let we do, we'll take a screenshot about that. So end of the day, so top 10 stocks. If the stock which is coming to the scanner by tomorrow to 810, right? So coming to tomorrow, let's say the next stop. So tomorrow it may be useful scanner because yesterday due to some data issues on Chartink, we didn't get this scanner worked perfectly, right? And we did analysis about some stocks by yesterday. I think yesterday we didn't get any stocks, only State Bank of India forming a doji at the top, and but today it's not giving you entry opportunity because by opening itself it triggers you the entry point, but instead of that going up, it has started moving down only, and it's closed like a hanging man candle. But previous day is a doji, and today it not given you entry. By today it's a hanging man. There is a possible reversal at the top by this hanging man. So it's a key confirmation. So where we are focusing the State Bank can give you some good opportunity, the entry point. The both the sides we can focus this, either top or bottom, but it was on the highest level where it is closed at the top. Maybe buying at the top, maybe not good, but even this candle having power to break once 560, this can go bullish, and if it is goes down around 553, so we can expect bearish on the stock. So this was another indication from the stock based on the candlesticks pattern. One day it is a doji, and next day is the perfect hanging man. So would have been best opportunity to focus the stocks because it is happening at highest level. And some other thing which we are going to focus on the top recovery is about Bandhan Bank. Initially it was on the low, but finally it reaches to the top, and L&T Finance is still on that. And 2-3 days back, those who are watching our advanced strategy, that Adani end got triggered. On the live class, I am taken the live class. I given you call around 4,000, 3,600 call. I think one of them who are attending my class that time in a live market, 3,000 call option we suggest you 97. Now it is around 125. So whatever the amount which we are invested, that your fees got recovered. I think I don't remember your name. So the other end is almost reaches big 3,600 call option. So now it is around 125. So more than, it is giving you more than 12,000 rupees, so that you can easily cover your fees that we have paid with me for advanced classes. But today's stock, the L&T, Bandhan Bank, GMR Infra, Adani and IPCA, these are the stocks which is moving towards the 45 degree. The downside, Crompton, FSL, Metropolis, Torrent Power, Tata Communications, they are going down 45 degree down. But the recovery and Astral, STREM, Crompton, these are the stocks which is corrected from the top. Bandhan Bank, L&T, financing, L&T Finance Holding, that increased. Right. So this scanner will help you even if you are comparing previous days levels, that will help you to make a new trade by tomorrow. If any stocks which is occupies the top places, if this stock which is present on the top tomorrow would be the best chances, because it is going a 45 degree today, and even it may continues the 45 degree again. So that is the reason we are focusing it for. And also I have created some scanner which is keep on going up consecutive highs. So let me talk about consecutive highs. I think trending bullish, maybe this today trending bullish is a Deepak Nitrate again. But I took the Deepak Nitrate, but it was not giving you good opportunity. Navin Fluoride, yesterday we taken Adani Ports. That is also works well. Gujarat Gas, Hindu Hotel. The hotel also performed well today, almost 317. So this is also works good. We are trying. I'm trying to find out some scanners to get even more better result on live market. And some comments about this because yesterday it not worked. I don't know which are the stocks which is forming a 45 degree move by yesterday. But some stocks which is forming a 45 degree moves today, that was an opportunity to find out the stocks. So this and recovery as well as the highest recovery as well as 45 degree angle. So both will help you to find out the stocks. The only one stock which we have find out, that is what LNDFX. But I didn't book the profit. It was generating a nice profit. But finally, it is a positional. I'm holding it for an based on my advanced strategy. Even RBL Bank, we suggest you few days back that about RBL positional buy. That today it also moves up to 131. The option which is around 7 rupees something, 7 plus, now it reaches 10 rupees. That strike price of 125 call, because it's a breakout, so which is happening at this level. The consolidation. So big consolidation about for 5 days, just breaking the high. You have the chances it can move up. This is what the consolidation. I'm holding still on a long position. May have the chances it can move even higher by next trading session. Even if it does break this high, even we can expect bullishness in the RBL Bank. So hope you understand about the 45 degree angle. Lot of questions, but someone who messaged me on Hindi, but I don't know Hindi 100%. Okay, so whatever the thing you want, you can comment on English. But the scanners which I provided already, how to make the scanners and other things, and we'll try to create a new scanners. So it's working. So if you're following that, it will generate you some good profit. Okay, so that's about this thing. Let me to some of my friend who are messaging me. Most PNB, yes, PNB also recently given you entry about our strategy, that positional strategy. One of my student who booked a profit just now, he messaged me, and I will share you that. Okay, Bharati Airtel and PNB, the two stocks. Those who attend my classes, they are messaging me now. Thanks for your messages, and I will share you that live messages where I get it right now. Just now I got it. So this one Bharati Airtel, it's about our advanced option strategy. Based on the advanced option strategy, he booked around 17,000 rupees profit. That was a good amount. So where he entered almost 35 and 53 now. This man gave very good. Yeah, PNB, which gives you very good money. Yes, because he already booked some positional trade, and PNB again there is a based on advanced option strategy he was booking. This one is a Bharati Airtel, and the second one is Punjab National Bank. Let me move it. Punjab National Bank. How to go for close that? And it was sending message me PNB. One is Bharati Airtel. Okay, PNB, Punjab National Bank, which is around 20,000. He was booking around 36 call option. Those who attend my classes, you can go through that how it is giving you the opportunity in PNB 29 September 36 call option. Right, so yeah, I think the entry price is somewhere around a 3.2 to 3.5, and now it is moves. Even yesterday it moves very big, but today let me go for it. Punjab National Bank, today it goes down, but yesterday even it was on highest price. PNB today it was down. PNB, Punjab National Bank. Yeah, even today it moves even higher, 40.8, and it was going closed by down, but he was booking. Let's look at this stock. So from the here, it keep on going higher, right? So this kind of stocks we can easily filter out based on our strategy which we are using. And the second one, Bharati Airtel. After a long term back, I'm seeing Bharati Airtel, and okay, big, and there is a clue, but it is a big risk. But it was keep on moving higher. From this month, almost to 720, it went up to 780, almost 60 points. It went higher. There is an opportunity in a call side, 730 call option, which is taken around 35, and it went up to 53. That he was booking as some good profit. And Dixon also, that this month given you good profit. I hope you understand what was that the opportunity here in the market. So I hope this may be useful video. And if you want to learn the strategy, you can contact me. It is a one-to-one strategy, and you can learn from me. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. If you want to join, you can contact me through WhatsApp and Telegram, which I provided in the description. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribe and supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.